Hi guys, how are you all? So these days I felt like my skin is getting little dull, so I thought that I will use something natural and herbal on my skin. And मेरी mom हमेशा कहती हैं that natural and herbal products are best for your skin and it helps in giving great glow. So recently I got my hands on this Herbal Femme Bleach. Femme is India's #1 bleach brand. It is also clinically tested to be safe for your skin. The best feature of this bleach is it has all the natural ingredients like neembu, haldi, chandan and olive oil, which are all herbal and natural. And guys, जब मैंने अपनी mom को ये benefits बताए, she thought it is too good to be true. But I trust Femme Bleach 100%. It is clinically safe on your skin. Now guys, let me tell you how to use this bleach on yourself. And ये bleach बिल्कुल safe है, but I still recommend you guys to do a patch test before using it on your face. So guys, this is the new Femme Natural Herbal Bleach, which has neembu, olive oil, haldi, and it also has chandan. Now olive oil helps in hydrating your skin and it also helps in adding smoothness, and haldi is great for clearer, brighter and even skin tone. Chandan helps in reducing dark spots and also helps in removing pigmentation, while lemon brightens the skin and give your skin a very healthy glow. Now this is an 8-gram packaging. It also comes with activators, so it is a right quantity to add. And even if you are going for a bigger packaging, guys, just take 1 tablespoon of bleach with 1/4 of activator. Mix it all together for good 1 minute, and after that you can apply it on your face. My mixture is ready, guys. So the first step is going to be cleaning up your face thoroughly. Pat it dry and take a brush, apply it all over your face, and do it very gently. It's very convenient to do. It is hassle free. You can do it at home easily. With a brush, I'm going to apply it all over my face, and I will be leaving this mixture on my face for a good 15 minutes. And after that, you can take a cotton ball and start removing the bleach. After that, you can rinse off your face with cold water. Here I am done, guys. I'm patting my face dry. So guys, I just washed my face and you can look at the excitement that I have. I have nothing on my face right now. I just washed my face. It hasn't dried out my skin at all. My skin is looking super radiant. The dark spots are gone. The skin is looking luminous. Also guys, the clogged pores are reduced. I cannot emphasize enough how safe it is to use for your skin. I am just gonna go moisturize my skin. Also, just make sure that every time you use a bleach, you apply sunscreen before going out in the sun. Moisturize your skin immediately. I haven't moisturized my skin, but my skin doesn't feel dry at all. This Herbal Femme Bleach is completely safe to use, guys, and it is gonna give you some marvelous results. So this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Femme Herbal Bleach herbal है, safe है, gentle है, तो glow बेफिक्र.